Hello, sensational woman. We are going to be going over sensations. Your sensuality is so rooted in the sensations inside of your body. The key to feeling more pleasure, more sensuality, more love, more confidence is being in touch with your sensation. When we restore the sensations to the breast, we're restoring sensations to the heart. And when we restore sensations to the heart, we connect more with the truth of who we are. Being connected to the sensations inside of your body is accessing a layer of intuition and communication and connection with yourself that is beyond what we've been taught, is beyond what the average human is accessing. Breast massage. This is a life-changing practice. It is so simple and it unleashes your superpowers. Like, that's like the best of both worlds. It's simple and unleashes your superpowers. Perfect, let's go. It's really a time and a sacred space and place where you get to truly honor yourself. This body part needs to be warmed up, especially as a woman, before self-pleasure. And what breast massage really does is it restores wholeness and fullness. It's a way for you to give yourself the love that you've always needed. The breast massage practice produces oxytocin. And oxytocin is the love and bonding hormone. It is a beautiful thing to teach your partner or partners or lovers how to touch your body. And that creates even more connection and love with yourself and with others. It really releases stagnant energy from the heart, from the breast. This practice activates the orgasmic capacity of your breasts and catapults you into orgasmic experiences. This is a place that you get to innocently explore your breasts.